Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel SRINIVAS THALAKOKULA. Now, introduction completed in first part 1 and molarity, mole fraction, molarity completed, normality completed. Next, now, mole fraction. Mole fraction denoted by X. Mole fraction denoted by X, ratio between number of moles of one particular component to the total number of moles of all components. All components of a solution. No units. No units for mole fraction and no units independent temperature, independent of temperature, X2 is equals to number of moles of solute by total number of moles of solute by total number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute by total number of moles of solute, or X1 is equals to N1 by N1 plus N2. X1 plus X2 is equals to 1. Relationship between molarity small m of solution and mole fraction. X2 of solute. X2 is equals to small m1 plus 1 plus small m1. M1 is equals to molecular mass of solvent. Next, relationship between mole fraction of solute X2 and molarity of solution. X2 is equals to m1 by m1 minus m2 plus d. This m2 molar mass of a solute. M2 molar mass of a solute in molar mass of solute in kilogram mole inverse. Next, m1 is equals to molar mass of solvent in kilogram mole inverse. Density D is equals to density. Next, formality is equals to moles of substance added to solution by volume of solution in liters. Okay, now I will give one question. Objective question. Calculate the molecular force of C3H5OH taken thrice in solution of 36 grams of water and 46 grams of glycerin. NH2O is equals to 36 by 18 is equals to 2. Glycerin is equals to 46. 96 is equals to 0.5. Then NH2O and NGR. We will find the mole fraction. Mole fraction XGR is equals to 0.5 by 2.5. That is equals to 0.20. Answer. Yeah. Mole fraction problem this is. Next, factors influence insolubility. Factors influencing solubility of solids. Next topic. Here factors. What factors? Temperature. Here dissolution is endothermic. Solubility increases with increases in temperature. Example: NaNO2, NaCl. Next, pressure. Number of significant effects of a solubility because no significant effects on solubility. No effects on solubility because solid and liquids are highly increases and incompressible. Next, temperature, pressure and nature of solute. Solute and solvent solubility. Of ionic solids. Smaller the values of latent energy, more would be smaller lattice energy. Then more value of heat hydration. More is solubility of ionic compounds in the lattice energy. Ionic compounds in the lattice energy. Lattice energy. F is equals to q1 by r square. D is most important problem. Force number of lattice energy is depends upon the force of attraction between the charges, opposite charges, charges ion, and inversely proportional to the square of the distances, and dielectric constant. What is this D ante dielectric constant? Dielectric constant, charges, distance between the charges. Dielectric constant for water, dielectric constant of water 82, and methanol is equals to 33.5, and benzene is equals to 2.3. Benzene 2.3. Factors influence of the solubility of gases. Factors in influence of the solubility of gases. Gases, nature of gases and nature of solvents. Nature of gases and nature of solvent, and temperature factors influence that. Next, Henry's law means mass is proportional to the directly proportional to the pressure. Directly proportional to pressure. Next, M is equals to Kp. K is equals to Henry's law constant. Okay, this is a formula. Then P, pressure is equals to KH. KH is equals to Henry's law constant, X into mole fraction, partial pressure of a gas in a vapor pressure. Partial pressure of gas in vapor pressure. Henry's law constant, mole fraction. This is mole fraction. This is a next, limitations of Henry's law. Limitations of Henry's law. Pressure is not high. Next, temperature is not very low, very high. Next, temperature is not very gas is not highly soluble, very not highly soluble. Very highly soluble. And next one is gas do not forms any compound of solvent. Not forms any compound of solvent. Next point, gas does not dissociation. Gas not dissociation. Okay, Raoult's law. Short explanation about Raoult's law in this case. P0 minus P by P0 is equals to N2 by N1. Then next formula, P0 minus P by P0 is equals to small w by small m into capital M by capital W. This is a formula. I will explain brief in next class. Thank you. Or you understand this class, and for more updates of JEE Mains or EAMCET, I will provide you the timetable in next very soon classes. And or you enjoyed this class, please like, share and subscribe to our channel SRINIVAS THALAKOKULA.